What do you think, Belle? Mm? Mm. I give you the shivers, don't you? Hey, when you get relaxed. This is why you flew off your cage looking for me, isn't it? Hey, I was in here watching TV and eating dinner, and then I heard you flapping because you missed me. You came looking for me, didn't you? Hey? Yeah, you came looking for me. Mm.
If you look at the Fulton County, Georgia case, you have some of these these alleged crimes caught on camera or audio tape with that phone call. Can you find 11,780 votes? This is the kind of
What do you think?
that prosecutors drooled over because these were public statements. Rudy Giuliani made a lot of false claims publicly in press conferences. So really all you have to
We've got the radio going, we've got the TV going. Life is noisy in the house when I have a baby lorikeet, isn't it? Eh? It's noisy. If I were here by myself, there'd be no noise. Eh?
This is a case that may have gone first in terms of a potential indictment earlier this year, but it's dragged out this long. They've interviewed a lot of potential witnesses, a lot of people who received target letters, and that's what we're seeing in this pretty massive case.
Jeff, could this Georgia case complicate the special counsel investigation on January 6th in terms of timing and legal deadlines?
It could. It could. You have 4 indictments of this former president now, and so at some point, this will all come to a head in terms of the courtroom. They're going to have to take these cases to court. Every single one of these prosecutors will have to set court dates. And then you have the political calendar at play as well.
So we are still waiting for the district attorney in Fulton County, Fonnie Willis, to address the 41-count indictment, 13 against former President Donald Trump. She is going to make remarks late tonight. In just a few minutes, we're waiting to see what she has to say about the details of this indictment. But Don Samuel, as a veteran lawyer who's been around prosecutors for years, understands the kind of pressure she might be under. What are you waiting to hear from the district attorney after reading and reviewing this indictment? What does she need to say? What do you expect her to say at this moment, a crucial moment?
You like that, don't you?
I think she's
Yeah.
very measured in her comments. I would assume she is incredibly intelligent.
What about if we lay you on your back again?
She was the ADA for many, many years, and now the district attorney, of course. The breadth of this indictment, just reading through it, a lot of it involves acts in Michigan, Pennsylvania, in Washington, D.C.
We're learning to roll over, aren't we?
I mean,
Eh?
the amount of work that went into just
We're learning to roll over.
indictment is really breathtaking. And the scope of what now is confronting her that she needs to present at some point in trial is really remarkable. It's most unusual for a state prosecutor to say, I'm going to prosecute all these events that occurred all over the country, over the course of an extended period of time with, more than a dozen and a half people. And as I said, in Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, Arizona, Michigan, all involved in this concerted activity. Allegedly,
Nice and gentle. Oh yeah, you like it, don't you? You like being talked to. Eh? Nice and gentle. And your eyelids are the colour of my eyeshadow in the late 1980s. Eh? What do you think? Eh?
This is a case that would last a year, just to try the case. And it's really a remarkable
Yep. I bought eyeshadow in 1989 in Canberra. That is the colour of your eyelids. Slightly luminescent pale blue eyeshadow. And that's the colour of your eyelids. with me.
You have to arraign each of these defendants. We're going to start with that. They're not going to all come in on the same day and be arraigned along with Donald Trump. There's going to be a series of rolling arraignments.
You like your cheek being scratched, don't you?
Defendant gets to file motions and argue motions.
Yeah.
Every defendant.
You like your cheek being scratched. You like being scratched under your chin.
And when John Samuel is one of the great lawyers in America, John Samuel and I have tried these kinds of cases.
This is reality, isn't it? Hey, it's all bullshit over in America. But what do we have here? We just have simple reality, common sense, logic, reality. It's fair, it's just. Right? No bullshit. No bullshit in this house. No bullshit with this bird. Hey? Yeah, there you go.
The story of election 2020 for a long time. It's important to step back and think about why Georgia matters in the broader story of January 6th and former President Donald Trump. Because it became a target for Trump and his allies post-election 2020. They were looking for some way to stay in power. And they saw many states out there where the margins in their view were relatively slim.
You know, Belle, I love that we're having one-on-one time tonight and you came out of your cage by yourself. That was really good. Very well done. Very well done. Yeah, that's where you like to be scratched. Hey? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
To say that this election was not legitimate in Georgia. They pressured the governor. And this was about Trump trying to get Congress ultimately to have a contingent election based on all this activity in the states. So Georgia's important because it's a microcosm for what has happened in American democracy over the last few years. Georgia was a cauldron of activity at the
there's very little democracy in America. There can't be democracy when they're led by lunatics. But here we have simple reality. Hey, there we go. You're very relaxed, aren't you? Hey, look at you. Hey. Hey.
The alleged fraud never came to the fore because it didn't exist in the view of those who were assessing the elections in Georgia. Remind us of what happened.
You're nice and clean, Belle, aren't you? Because you had another shower today, didn't you? You love your showers. Yeah, you go all puffy, don't you? Hey, when you feel good, you go all puffy. Look at this beautiful wing, hey? And you look at your beautiful belly. You're showing off your beautiful belly. Yeah.
And so everyone in Georgia in 2020 voted on paper ballots. And those ballots, as we know, could be audited and recounted. And in fact, they were counted at the presidential level 3 times 3 different ways. Once with machines at the local level, once with larger central counted machines at former President Trump's request. And lastly, once entirely by hand, over 5 million ballots counted entirely by hand thanks to the diligence of election officials throughout the state. In about 5 days. That was all done before the electoral count. The electoral votes were certified and sent to the National Archives.
How can you snap at me when I do things like this with you? Hey?
Even when claims came out about the suitcase of ballots in Fulton County, which ended up just being a normal box of ballots that was being reviewed by election officials. While there was claims of 10,000 dead voters who had voted, election officials in Georgia at the state and local level investigated all of those claims and found that there were only actually 4, and those were 4 people who had died recently, right before the election, and their spouses returned ballots in those cases. So the widespread fraud We could confirm it didn't happen in Georgia thanks to the work of the election officials in the states. And that's why every court who looked at this
Let's look at your beautiful wing.
and why Republicans, Governor Kemp, Secretary
Look at your stunning wing, Belle.
throughout the state
Hey?
certified the results and
Look
sent
at
them
this
to
stunning wing.
David Becker, thank
What about your
We're
other
still
wing?
waiting for
Hey?
District Attorney Fonnie Willis in Fulton County, Georgia, to address reporters
Mm.
late at night here following this indictment of former President Trump and many of his associates in Washington at the time and in Georgia. Nicole Killian is on the ground floors at the courthouse in Fulton County in Atlanta, Georgia. Nicole, there are so many instances and episodes that are detailed in this indictment that we've heard about before in the federal investigation. For example, on page 61 of this indictment, it talks about January 5th, 2021, and John Eastman, a conservative lawyer, pressuring then Vice President Mike Pence.
You could sit here all night and do this, couldn't you? Hey?
Have Pence overturn the election. What's the challenge, though, in the difference with a state case versus a federal case when it comes to these episodes?
Look at your big belly. Look at your big rainbow belly. Hey? What a beautiful big rainbow belly you've got. It's full of pear and apple, isn't it? Today, the food that's attracted you the most has been the pear and the apple. You completely killed it, didn't you? Hey? It was a pear and apple day. I wonder what tomorrow will be. Hey?
One of the most notable differences is the power of the president himself. As we know, former President Trump is running for re-election in 2024 if he were victorious and if he is convicted and charged here in Fulton County. Unlike federal charges, he would not have the ability to pardon himself. So, there is likely the possibility that if he were victorious, he could potentially be on trial as a sitting president, but he really wouldn't be able to do anything.
This is the first time you've been on me when haven't tried to get up to the top of me. You've been completely content to be here, haven't you? Hey?
Himself and dismiss them, and so that is perhaps the biggest difference here. But again, I think given how sprawling these charges are, not just involving the former president, but his allies as well, as Ricky mentioned, this is something that is going to take a lot of time to work through. We have seen in other instances where the former president and his legal team have tried to push.
Yeah, I stopped, didn't I? Hey? I stopped.
What type of strategy the former president and his legal team will employ here, simply because
It's nearly bedtime, you know.
in this case.
It's almost bedtime for all good birds.
All playing in Georgia.
Nearly.
In a presidential campaign where Trump is seeking the Republican
Nearly.
nomination, and one of the key witnesses in
It's
the
almost
federal case
bedtime for all good birds.
President
Yeah.
Mike Pence. But Jeff, when you look at what's happening tonight in Georgia, you see that this is one of 4 ongoing cases against former President Trump. There's one in New York about hush money.
Look at your beautiful belly. Hey? Look at your beautiful belly.
Records, another on January 6th from the special counsel, and now an indictment in Georgia. Where does this fit?
How could your mummy and daddy throw you out of the nest? Hey?
Think about it this way. We haven't talked about it.
But then I suppose they were trying to save you, weren't they? Because you can't fly.
Could go up to 20
Hey?
years behind bars. These are serious cases.
So they were trying to be cruel to be kind.
Legal jeopardy
Doesn't mean they didn't love you.
faces there.
It just meant that you weren't
I've said this before, that anybody else
able to live in the natural environment. Were you? Hey? If you can't fly.
would be extremely concerned. And look at this case. We're talking about Mark Meadows, Rudy Giuliani, 2 people in the past.
Look at this amazing wing. Hey?
Press conferences. We haven't heard from them recently. Because I think the weight of this case should make anybody involved or caught up in it think twice about making public statements, because you could further jeopardize your legal standing.
Jeff, when Trump allies talk about what's going on in Georgia, they talk about the January 6th case, they repeatedly say that Trump and his allies were having free speech, that they're able to criticize the election, that they're able to make these claims of fraud, even if it's not based on any fact. How is that free speech argument
This is good, isn't it?
going to play? And then we'll come to Donald.
It's even better than eating pear and apple, isn't it? Eh? I wonder if you're going to eat your birdie porridge overnight, because you've barely touched it today. Eh? You always have your birdie porridge second, don't you? You have your fruit and your flowers first, and then you have your birdie porridge last. Eh? We're going to roll over again. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Look at you. I've got you mesmerised, haven't I? Hey? Oh, good girl, Belle. Good girl. Good girl, Belle. Well done. Hey? What a clever girl you are. You're learning how to trust me, aren't you? I'm not going to drop you. We're just learning how to roll over, aren't we? Hey? We're just learning how to roll over. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Oh, what a beautiful girl. Hey? Yeah. Yeah. Aren't you clever? Hey? You're a clever girl. Or you could be a boy. You're a girl or a boy. One of the other. One or the other, aren't you? Hey? Yeah. That's it, Belle. Oh, you're a clever girl. You're learning how to trust me, aren't you? Hey? Yeah, you're learning how to trust me. That's beautiful. Oh, you're going all puffy again, aren't you? You really like it, don't you? Eh? You've got beautiful feathers, just like a peacock, haven't you? Eh? This is what it looks like when a baby lorikeet lays back and has a massage. Hey? Yeah. Oh, this is good, isn't it? Hey?
Thank you for joining us.
This is good.
I'm here with the prosecutors and investigators
Hey?
who have worked diligently
Yeah.
on the investigation of criminal attempts to
This is
interfere in the
good.
administration of Georgia's
Yeah.
2020 presidential election.
Yeah.
Today, based on information developed by that investigation, a Fulton County grand jury returned a true bill of indictment, charging 19 individuals with violations of Georgia law arising from a criminal conspiracy to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election in this state. The indictment includes 41 felony counts and is 97
You have
pages.
no care for anything else that's going on in the world, do you? Hey?
Everyone charged in this bill of indictment is presumed innocent. Specifically, the indictment brings felony charges against Donald John Trump, Rudolph William Lewis Jr.,
Yeah.
John Charles Eastman, Mark Randall Meadows,
That's it.
John Cheeseborough, Jenna Lynn Ellis, Ray Stallings Smith,
Everlasting love.
David Sheehan, Michael A. Roman,
Everlasting love.
Schaefer, Sean Micah Treasure Steele,
Everlasting love.
Lee, Harrison William Prescott Floyd,
There we go.
Travion C. Cootie, Sydney Catherine Powell, Kathleen Austin Latham, Scott Graham Hall, and Misty Hampton, also known as Emily Misty Hayes. Every individual charged in the indictment is charged with one count of violating
Everlasting
Georgia's
love.
Racketeer, Influenced, and Corrupt Organizations Act,
Everlasting love.
in a criminal enterprise
Yeah, look at
in
you.
Fulton County,
Hey.
Georgia, and elsewhere to accomplish the illegal
Hey.
goal of allowing Donald J. Trump to
Yeah.
seize the presidential term of office.
What are you doing?
January
Hey.
20th.
No change here. There's no change here. Hey.
The participants in
We're still here navel gazing.
various actions in Georgia and elsewhere
Still here navel gazing.
the votes of the presidential electors
Yeah.
were certified as the winners of Georgia's 2020 general election.
Uh-huh.
As you examine the indictment, you will see acts that are identified as overt acts and those that are identified as predicate acts, sometimes called acts of racketeering activity. Overt acts are not necessarily crimes under Georgia law in isolation, but are alleged to be acts taken in furtherance of the conspiracy. Many occurred in Georgia,
Well, look at that.
and some
Hey.
occurred in other jurisdictions.
We got there.
And are included because
Yeah.
the grand jury believes they were part of the illegal effort
We got there.
to overturn the results of Georgia's 2020.
We got you laying in my hand. Hey.
The acts identified as predicate acts.
Wow.
Acts of racketeering activity
Wow.
are
Look at
crimes
this.
that are alleged
Hey.
to have been committed in furtherance
What do
of
you
the
think
criminal
about that?
enterprise.
Hey.
Acts of racketeering activity are also
This is relaxing, isn't it? Hey. But it takes a while to get here with you, doesn't it? Hey.
all election
Hey.
information
Takes a while to get here.
by these states.
Yeah.
The responsibility of ensuring a
There we
fair
go.
process
We can see your blue eyeshadow eyelids too again.
the vote.
Can't we?
That
Hey.
includes elections for presidential electors, Congress, state officials, and local
There we
officers.
go.
The state's role in this
And it's
process
taken no ginger to get you to this
is the
point
functioning
tonight.
of democracy.
It just takes like
Georgia,
stroking,
like every state,
stroking and
has
love,
laws that allow those
singing,
who believe that
talking.
results of an
Hey.
election are wrong, whether
Yeah.
because of intentional wrongdoing or unintentional error, to
Yeah.
challenge those results
What do you
in
think?
state courts.
Hey. Oh, this is so good, isn't
The
it?
indictment alleges
Yeah.
that whether
This
it
is so good.
abide by Georgia's legal process
Yeah.
for election challenges, the
This is
defendants
so
engaged
good.
in a criminal racketeering
This is good, isn't it? Hey.
to overturn Georgia's presidential election result.
You haven't even realised where you are at the moment, have
As is the
you?
normal process in Georgia
You've
law,
got no
the grand
idea
jury issued arrest warrants for those
that you are
charged.
completely under my control.
I am giving the defendants the opportunity to voluntarily surrender no later than noon on Friday, the 25th day of August, 2023.
Yeah.
I remind
Hey.
everyone here that an
Oh, you
indictment
love it.
is
You
only
love it.
a series of
You love being scratched under the chin.
based on a grand jury's
Hey.
determination of probable cause to support the
Think.
charges.
Hey.
It is now the duty of my
This
office
is relaxing,
to
isn't
prove
it?
charges in the indictment beyond a
Oh,
reasonable
yeah.
doubt at trial.
Hey.
I would like to take a moment to
Nibble,
thank
nibble.
the Superior Court Clerk, Shay Alexander,
Nibble,
and her
nibble.
staff for staying late and making sure that this indictment was processed. I would also like to thank the men and women of
Hey.
Sheriff's Labatt's office
Nibble,
for keeping
nibble.
the courthouse open, but most importantly for keeping us safe over the weeks and months that have
Nibble,
led up to
nibble.
this indictment.
Yeah.
And what I know they will continue to do to keep us safe.
Mm.
We also want to thank the Atlanta Police Department and other law enforcement partners who have worked with the sheriff to keep us safe. I will now take a very
Yeah.
limited number of questions.
Oh, this is really good, isn't it? Hey? This is really good. Hey? Oh, this is enough to put a girl to sleep, isn't it? Hey? Look at that beautiful eye. Are you getting tired? Hey? You getting tired? Hey? It's nearly time to go back in the cage for bedtime for all good birds. Hey? It's almost bedtime for all good birds. Yeah, you're so relaxed, aren't you? Hey? You're so relaxed. Yeah.
Jurisdiction now to indict Donald Trump.
Ah, yeah.
Do you believe you need to be the fourth one to try him, or could you move it up? Or do you want to be the first to try him?
I don't have any desire to be first or last. I want to try him and be respectful for our sovereign state.
Yeah.
We do want to move this case along, and so
Uh-huh.
we will be asking for a proposed order that occurs
What do you think?
a trial date within the next 6 months.
Yeah.
Today, there was a fictitious document according
Yeah.
to the Fulton County Clerk's Office that was circulated online.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Your eyes are closing and they're staying closed for a longer time each time, aren't they? Hey? Look at those beautiful eyes. Hey?
What you refer to. What I can tell you is that we had a grand jury here in Fulton County. They deliberated
Ah,
till
beautiful
almost 8
girl.
o'clock, if not right
Yeah.
after 8 o'clock. An indictment was returned.
Beautiful girl.
We now have an indictment. I am not
Hey?
an expert on clerks' duties or even administrative duties. I wouldn't know how to work that
You're a
system,
beautiful
so I'm not
girl.
gonna speculate.
Look at those
That's
beautiful
what
eyes. Hey? Yeah, look at those beautiful eyes. Hey? Yeah.
Do I intend to try
Yeah.
two defendants in this indictment together? Yes.
Yeah.
Had any contact with the special counsel about the overlap between this
What do you think, hey?
I'm not going to discuss our investigation at this time. Any conversations?
Is it almost bedtime for all good birds? Hey?
I make decisions in this office based
Yeah?
on facts and the law. The law is completely nonpartisan. That's how decisions are made in every case. To date, this office has indicted since I've been.
You've never been this relaxed before, have you? Hey? You're just completely laying back in my hand now. Dropping further and further and further back into relaxation, hey? Wow, this is amazing to see. This is amazing to see. Just beautiful. Hey? Yeah.
Just days after former President Donald Trump was indicted by the special counsel in Washington on the federal level for an alleged conspiracy to defraud the United States. The former president, also the Republican frontrunner in the 2024 primary race, now faces charges in Georgia, in Fulton County.
You're not disturbed by my bird clock at all, are you? Not like my piano students, hey?
About an alleged conspiracy.
Probably a third of my piano students tell me my bird clock is annoying. You don't tell me that.
One on the state level in Georgia.
Hey? No, you don't.
Nicole Killian is outside the courthouse in Fulton County. Nicole,
you don't tell me it's annoying, hey? Yeah.
Again, that she outlined 41 felony charges against the former president and 18 other defendants, many of whom are the former president's top allies and aides. And she said that every individual is charged with one count of RICO for these racketeering charges they discussed for their participation in criminal enterprise to allow the former president to seize the term of
Yeah, you're so relaxed, aren't you? You're a happy little birdie. You happy little baby bird? Hey?
She didn't necessarily want to be first or last, but when appropriate. And furthermore, what was most significant is that she said that all of these defendants have until Friday, August 25th at noon to voluntarily surrender. Otherwise, a warrant could be issued for their arrest. So that is kind of the next process, the step forward. She said that they would put a schedule.
You're very soft, aren't you, Belle? Yeah. One of my piano students told me you were very soft too. Hey? One of the kids said you were soft. Hey?
Nicole, thank you very much for your excellent reporting. Jeff Begays covers the Justice Department here with me at the table. Looking over this indictment on page 57, for example, it talks about an episode in the Oval Office on January 4, 2021, where John Eastman